Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Wanted to show you our brand new compact ClenzO2 Max Skid. This has an 8 gallon a minute pressure washer, 3 hose reels. Give you a look at the other side here. You got the marine grade battery. We have an electronic switch that'll show you the volts of the battery. Got a 50 gallon ClenzO2 tank and then a 100 gallon water tank. These are the brand new tanks. These are super thick. I'll pull a lid off here so you can see just how thick these are. These are DOT certified tanks as well, which most tanks out there on the market are not DOT certified. These ones are. We got our ClenzO2 pump here on the top. Coming around over here to the rinse valve. This is a nice little system. So you can pull ClenzO2 out of the tank or switch that valve and you can pull water into that pump and completely rinse out the ClenzO2. Got the bypass for the pressure washer line running into here, so you have a nice circulation loop to keep that pressure washer nice and cool. This has our brand new tank straps. These are 316 stainless steel, 316 stainless steel bolts. You can see that these are super heavy duty. Really nice tank straps. It's going to hold it securely to the skid. Here's a look at the other side. 11 gallon fuel tank. That tank is vented with a rollover valve as well. And we're running a T-jet strainer here. So all water coming into the pressure washer is going to be completely filtered out. Everything is all neat and clean. Here's a look at the other side. 3 hose reels here. These are full frame aluminum reels. You got 100 feet of garden. That's the 3/4 Flexzilla up top. And then 200 feet of soft wash hose here. This is a really nice hose with the crimped fitting. You can see that it says soft jet. We have the ST510 gun, stainless steel nozzle set. And then down below you have 200 feet of Fierce Jet smooth jacket, gray non-marking pressure washer hose. And then you have the nice Mossmatic ball valve swivel. Everything's all neatly fit onto this 4 foot by 5.5 foot skid.